Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Ireland Government Scholarship 2025. The best part about the Ireland Government Scholarship is that it offers above 280 scholarships, allows you to apply without application fee and provides stipend of €31,000 per annum. So in this video I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship coverage, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. List of approved universities, a list of universities in Ireland that are eligible to participate in the scholarship program. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. Online Apply Video Guide. For students facing challenges with the online application process, we have created an instructional video. Simply click on the link provided in the video description or comment sections. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship summary. This scholarship, provided by the Irish government, is designed for students pursuing master's or PhD degrees in Ireland. It offers comprehensive financial support, covering all costs associated with the degree programs. Master's students receive funding for 2 years, while PhD students are supported for 3 to 4 years. Scholarship benefits. This scholarship provides several key benefits for students studying in Ireland. Recipients receive an annual stipend of €19,000 to cover living expenses. Tuition fees are fully waived, including non-European Union costs, up to a maximum of €5,750 per year. Additionally, the scholarship includes a travel stipend to cover the expenses of traveling to and from Ireland. Scholars are also provided with comprehensive health insurance for their well-being. For research-related costs, up to €3,250 per year is reimbursed to support their academic work. List of approved universities. The scholarship can be used at various approved universities in Ireland, including Athlone Institute of Technology, Dublin Business School, Dublin City University, Galway Mayo Institute of Technology, Griffith College, Maynooth University, National University of Ireland Galway, Royal College of Surgeons, Trinity College Dublin, and University College Dublin, among others. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for this scholarship, applicants must meet several criteria. It is open to international students from around the world. Candidates must have a conditional or final admission offer from a recognized Irish higher education institution. They should demonstrate a strong academic record and show exceptional potential in their field of study. Additionally, applicants must not have previously made 2 unsuccessful application attempts for this scholarship. For those applying for a PhD, they must not currently hold or have previously held this scholarship, and they should have completed an undergraduate degree with first-class honors. Language proficiency requirements for international students include a minimum IELTS score of 6.5, with no band lower than 6.0, Duolingo score between 120 and 125, TEFL, IBT, score between 80 and 85, or a CEFR level of B2. Documents required. Application form. Complete and sign the application form provided by the scholarship program. This form is essential for initiating your application and must be filled out accurately according to the scholarship's guidelines. Personal statement or statement of purpose. Prepare a document that outlines your academic achievements, professional experiences, and reasons for applying to the scholarship. Explain how the scholarship will aid you in reaching your academic and career objectives. Academic transcripts. Submit official transcripts from all post-secondary institutions you have attended. These transcripts should detail the courses you have completed and the grades you have received, providing a comprehensive view of your academic performance. Letters of recommendation. Provide 2 to 3 letters of recommendation from individuals who can vouch for your qualifications and potential. These should be from academic professors or professional mentors who can assess your suitability for the scholarship. Research proposal. For scholarships focused on research, include a detailed research proposal. This should describe your research project, including its goals, methods, and the importance of the research. It should demonstrate your plan and ability to undertake the proposed work. Proof of English language proficiency. If required, submit proof of your English language skills through standardized tests such as the International English Language Testing System, IELTS, Test of English as a Foreign Language, TEFL, or other accepted assessments. Curriculum vitae, CV, or resume. Provide an updated CV or resume that outlines your educational qualifications, work experience, and relevant accomplishments. This document should present a clear picture of your background and expertise. Passport copy. Include a copy of your passport to verify your identity and nationality. This is necessary for confirming your eligibility and ensuring accurate personal details. Other supporting documents. Submit any additional documents specified by the scholarship program. This could include proof of financial need, additional forms, or other supporting materials required by the scholarship provider. Application timeline. The scholarship application period opens on the 29th of August 2024. Applicants must submit their completed applications by the 10th of October 2024. Questions should be submitted by the 3rd of October 2024. References from supervisors or mentors are due by the 17th of October 2024, and research office endorsements are required by the 24th of October 2024. The outcome will be announced by the end of April 2025, with the scholarship officially starting on the 1st of September 2025. How to apply? Submit online. Complete and submit your application through the official online form provided by the scholarship program. Attach documents. Ensure that you include all required documents as specified in the application guidelines. Visit the official website. For detailed instructions and to begin your application, visit the scholarship's official website. Online Apply Video Guide. For a step-by-step walkthrough of the application process, view the Online Apply Video Guide. This video will help you navigate the online application system, ensure you correctly complete and submit your application, and provide tips for attaching the required documents. Check the official website for access to this guide.